Hey guys, so I'm going to be talking today about an ingredient that most of you probably do not have in your cupboard in your kitchen. And if you don't, you are really missing out. And it's only $3 and change for this, so very inexpensive, but so delicious and so versatile. I have been using this for as long as I can remember. I used to take it as a supplement in oil form years ago, but I would much rather recommend the version that I'm going to show you because it's so tasty. What am I talking about? Organic ground flaxseed. This is from Walmart. It's cold milled. I definitely recommend that you get the organic version of this. If you don't shop at Walmart, I'm sure you can get this at whatever grocery store you shop at. What section of the store is it in? It's in a very specialized area that has a lot of unique ingredients. So just go on the website to whatever store you shop at, and it'll tell you what aisle to find it in because it's not going to be the easiest thing to find in the store. Like it's not in the baking section. It has like its own special little area. But yeah, this is so delicious and so versatile, like it says in the title. Now, I'm going to put some links in the description box to some videos that I have on my channel in which I use this ingredient. And the first one is blueberry cream cheese pancakes. So good, you guys, and so easy to make. Um, but I tried using this on my homemade ice cream the other day and flipped out because it was so good. Now, the ice cream that I make, I do not use a machine. If you're new to my channel, maybe you didn't see that video, but I'm going to put a link to that too, how to make your own homemade ice cream at home. The ice cream that I make is almost like a frozen custard. It's very rich, but I make it in half cup servings. I make 5 half cup servings, put them in the freezer, and then I sprinkle a little bit of this on top. And because the ice cream that I make is like custardy, this is the perfect accompaniment to that because it's almost like an ice cream version of cheesecake. This tastes similar to graham cracker crust. That's the closest thing that I can tell you it tastes like. But you can put this on ice cream. You can use it to make those blueberry cream cheese pancakes. You can put this on smoothies, cereal, including oatmeal, yogurt, salad, soups, pasta, juice, baked goods, berries. It's just so versatile. Yeah, it tastes delicious. Um, and it's also good for you because it's fiber, because it's ground up flax seeds. It also has omega-3 fatty acids, which are good for you. And I just love this. I always have a bag of this. I have this, and then I have unsweetened coconut on the shelf right next to it. I throw that in a lot of things too. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys about this. And like I said, I'm going to put some links in the description box for my how to make your own homemade ice cream with no machine, and also that blueberry cream cheese pancakes. Oh my God, so good. But one thing I should warn you about is this is highly caloric. So if you're on a diet or you're trying to lose weight, this might not be the way to go unless you're on a keto diet. If you're on keto, then you can use that blueberry cream cheese pancake recipe if you're on keto. But if you're trying to lose weight, this is not something that you want to throw into all the foods that you eat because, yeah, it's got 80 calories in 2 tablespoons. Now, when I put it on my ice cream, I just sprinkle the smallest amount on top. But yeah, I figured that a lot of people don't know about this. It's so delicious. Try it, you'll see. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching and subscribing. And thank you to everyone that's been donating money to my channel. I really appreciate it. Bye.